Northland Dumpsters, your premier destination for waste management solutions, is poised to revolutionize your handling of debris, waste, and clutter. When ordinary solutions fall short, turn to Northland Dumpsters for a truly splendid experience. We take immense pride in providing unparalleled dumpster rental services that redefine the benchmarks for efficiency and convenience in waste management. Our team of experts is poised to guide you in selecting the ideal dumpster size, whether you're embarking on a home renovation project or managing a large-scale construction site. With Northland Dumpsters, you can expect nothing less than top-tier service and an exquisite range of dumpsters designed to cater to your unique requirements. To embark on this transformative journey with us, reach out to us at 816-588-7819, where you'll be greeted with a harmonious symphony of waste management solutions tailored to your specific needs. For a seamless and extraordinary experience, we invite you to explore our website at www.northlanddumpsters.com. It's your digital gateway to a world of dumpsters unparalleled in the industry. Here, you can immerse yourself in a level of service that marries the extraordinary with the practical, setting entirely new standards in dumpster rental services. Northland Dumpsters is where your waste transforms into a masterpiece of efficiency and convenience. Join us on this remarkable journey, and let's make your waste management experience exceptional.